Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the data usage limit for the Google Meet component or feature within the Gmail app on your iOS or Android device. So whether you have a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, doesn't really matter. In today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon in the top left corner. And then you want to go down and select the settings gear button. Go ahead and select your email address. You want to scroll down underneath where it says Meet, limit data usage, adjust call quality to save data. If you want to limit the data usage, check mark this box. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.